Hey guys, it's Blackstone Betty, and today I'm showing you a fun recipe that's so quick, so easy, so restaurant quality that you're gonna blow away your family and friends when you make these. There's only a few ingredients needed and only a couple of minutes. So we're gonna start with mixing a little bit of mayonnaise and some Old Bay or J.O. seasoning, either one. I have J.O. seasoning today, and I'm gonna mix that with a little bit of dried parsley flakes. Then I'm gonna fold in my lump crab meat as carefully as I can to get that all coated. And then I'm gonna add about a half a cup of panko breadcrumb just to hold everything together. I'm gonna let that sit in the fridge for about 30 minutes before I form my crab balls. So I'm gonna make these into 4 portions. So I'm gonna have 1/4 pound crab balls, or you could do little appetizer sizes depending on what you want. Then we're gonna melt a stick of butter with about a tablespoon or half a tablespoon of white vinegar. Once that's melted and my air fryer is preheated and ready to go on medium high heat, we're gonna drizzle over that melted butter all over the crab balls. Then shut those air fryer drawers. You wanna let them go and do their thing until they're golden brown on the outside. You can check these halfway through once or twice just to make sure that they are cooking evenly. Once they are a nice golden brown, which takes about 6 to 8 minutes for the larger ones, you can pull them out, plate them up with some lemon wedges, some tartar sauce and cocktail sauce, and enjoy them. I can't wait to go crabbing this summer and catch all the seafood I can to use it in this new air fryer. I am just having too much fun with it. Leave comments in this thread. I'd love to see everything you guys are cooking up. For more recipes, be sure to visit us at blackstoneproducts.com. I'm Blackstone Betty, and I will see you guys in the next video. Look at this. Look at all that crab meat. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? That's so good. I love crab.